Guys, it's me back again. Later, we're gonna play another game, but we're just gonna play another game too. Sorry, my friend made me play these games, but these games are the brain rot ones. So today we're gonna play Sinister Cashier, a horror game, but not to worry. I have been trained to be a tough man. I'm gonna solo because my friends think I'm a weakling, but no, nobody's gonna call me a weakling. I'm a strong gang because I'm gonna turn grade 5. We have already succeeded grade 4. Now it's grade 5 the time. Enter your 612. I thought it was gonna be 712 or 711. Okay, play. Hey, it's time for you to go, man. Your shift is over. Oh, it's you again from the last shift. What's the problem with me? I'm so good luck dealing with these weird customers. Well, what do you mean? I'm out of here. See you later, man. See you later, bucko. Wait. Why did you freaking leave the door open? Oh, yeah, the customers. Hee hee. Take product. Place the product to the empty shelf. Okay, let's go. Empty shelf. Oh, it's like those in the counters where sometimes there's Kinder Joy or Skittles or types of other candies. Yeah, like that. Because in one of our stores, there's freaking Kinder Joys and Skittles, M&M's, Koya, Hershey's, or what's this? Oh, sorry. Hello, welcome to 612. How can I help you? Because they cannot say 7-Eleven. Suspicious one. Do you have any special items? No, ma'am. I'm not sure what you mean. We have what's on the shelves. Never mind. I'll find it myself. It's weird. I'm gonna go to the storage room first. Then, I think it's upside down. Sam. Oh, I think it's here. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. All the employees hate the manager, but we need money. Oh, even me hate the manager? Now, what the heck do you mean? Oh. Nah, Santa's got a big gaya. Why does this like freaking have Santa's big cheeks here? Going to change. That's important. What do you mean? We're ready to see her. I think she left. Oh, the car left. Wait. Is that Freddy Fazbear? Wait. Is that Freddy Fazbear? All. Package for 612. What? This is unusually large. What's in this? No idea. I just delivered them. Alright. It's there. Everything has to be talking to them. Absolutely. Sign here, please. Have a good day. Okay. Thanks, sir. R R R R R R R R. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. This is the cost. Why do you look like boy? Does this happen? Value $2.50. Alright. Last night I swear I saw something. It looked like a snowman in the bushes but it wasn't right. A snowman? What do you mean it wasn't right? Its face, it turned toward me. No breeze, no movement. Just turned. Maybe I'm imagining things. Anyways, take care. Maybe I'm just imagining things. Yo, what is broken? Yo, man, what do you do? I'm gonna be here all day just because of that guy. Get out of here before I take the room. Oh no, we're cooked. This guy won't even leave. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Finally, we freaking left. After 1 minute, he left. Grab the cash. Give me. Give me. Yes, give me the money. Why did a policeman? I think he's gonna buy donuts. I thought bro was gonna freaking say, police! Police! Help! Police! Help! You okay? Of course. Yes, sir. Of course not. Why not? We freaking see my new tag, my outfit. There's been a report of this. Oh! Keep your heads up. Look. You left this school. Oh, sir. I haven't noticed anything unusual. In rookies. Alright. Well, be careful. Okay, sir. At least it wasn't. Oh my gosh, bro. Not again. We're gonna be here for a minute. Um, okay, we're gonna just wait for the policeman to leave this place. I think the game's having technical issues, that's why people finally he left. Where's the lights here? We have to restore the game, grab a new lights here. I was looking for a job and I found a job. Finally, everything looks well at last. Wait, what is happening? I got scared at my grand. Now I can finally do this. Waiting for customers. What was that? Holy crap, I have to go outside. This is the end. Rats! What the? Why is there rats here? Okay. Okay, good. And it shows some rats. We're inside the store. We're inside the store. I was looking for a job and I found a job. I'll take this, please. That will be $5. Alright, thanks. We have to fix this now. Guys, we're gonna have to do a part 2 because of the people lag and they restart part. So we're gonna do a part 2. We're gonna do this part 2 after I end this video. Bye bye.